Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I took like a week off for the holidays, but I'm back to filming and I have enjoyed shopping. So many sales this year. I've kind of gone overboard, so I'm going to have to slow it down a bit coming in the new year. But I did my last minute some shopping at Sephora. So here we go. And so we're going to see what it's all about, what I got, and I'm going to share that with you. So let's get started. Okay, friends, I do appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for your support. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, do those things to support my channel if you wish. And so here for the Sephora, they had their, I think, 20% off sale. And I just wanted to pick up a few more things there. So first of all, my samples, I'll show you what I got. My samples, they didn't, it depends. Sometimes they have good options, sometimes they don't. I didn't really see a lot. This is a Pureology shampoo conditioner. So it's just a sample, but I thought that would be a nice sample to get. Another sample I got was the Fenty Beauty. And I love this perfume. I already know I love it. That's why I got it, because I don't want to afford to buy the big bottle. So I actually came across this. Let's see. I know this isn't Sephora, but I went to Allure and I picked up, they had them on sale, like 2 for some, I can't remember what the deal was, but I picked up several of them. So I probably have enough to fill a bottle, but I love this perfume. So check that out. So I'm set with that perfume for a while. Anyway, I enjoyed it. I took it with me to Hawaii and I would wear it in the evenings. And I just it's really different at first, but I don't know, it just grew on me. So anyway, I know that's off track. Didn't get that at Sephora, but the next thing I have from Sephora, I did pick up a couple of items they were 100 points each and well worth it in my opinion. So I got the Say highlighter. So this is just kind of a sample size, but it's, let's see. It's a great little product. I don't know if you see that right here. So there's that. And the other thing I picked up, and I can't believe this is only 100 points. This is from Divine, D-A-V-I-N-E-S, I believe is how it's spelled. And this is all-in-one milk. This is a hair serum. Now, I buy the oil. I splurge because I love it so much, but I didn't want to afford it. It's like, for this same size oil, on Amazon, it was like $36 or something. I went ahead and got it because I love it so much. I love the smell of this product. Anything that smells this good deserves to be in your hair. So this is a milk. I'm not sure. It says it has oil in it too. So I have the oil, but this is kind of a milk. So I think this might be something you put in prior to blow drying or whatever. So I'm excited. It's a good size. I mean, for the price that this kind of stuff is, I really like this brand for hair products. So anyway, that's what it looks like. So happy that it only cost me 100 points. Anyway, so the next thing I have in here is a smaller item. I shared this. This was in my best of 2024 beauty products for blush. When I discovered this was in a Sephora kit of blushes. I got a full size of this, which I'm wearing right now. But I love this color so much. This is kind of the party pink. This one's the, it's called It Girl. And this blush, you guys, is so awesome. This is Danessa Merrick's. And it's kind of a cream to powder blush. Just, I can't say enough good things about this blush. So there's the color. There it is. It just blends. You can build it. It's pretty powerful if you know, get a lot on, but I'm really loving this color. So I'm excited. I love the other one, but this color is me. It screams me. So anyway, super excited about this. This right now is my favorite blush. So love it, love it. So Danessa Merrick, you can't go wrong. Her products, I'm finding all her products are great. So anyway, there's that. The next thing I have in here, and this, I just ran out. This is the glowrecipe Serum Superstars. I take these on vacation with me. These are the smaller, I don't know how small these are. Let me see. Anyway, I just ran out of my small ones that I usually take with me. So these are all some of my favorite products from them. So it's got the, let's see, read to you which products these are. We've got the Serum Booster, which is the gold one here. We've got the Hydrate and Plump, which is the pink right below here, Hydrate and Plump. The Smooth and Clear Skin is the strawberry one right here. And then this one right here is Brighten and Glow. So anyway, I just really like glowrecipe products. So in this kit I got it on sale, plus it was a good buy. I think it was like $30 or something, but which is good for glowrecipe. And then I got another 20% off of it, so I picked that up. The other thing I picked up that I like to travel with is the this is the Sol de Janeiro kit, the Jet Set kit. I like to take this when I travel. It has your spray, it has the body wash and the lotion. So it's a fun kit to take to travel. So anyway, I got that, the Glow Serum, and the blush, my yummy Danessa Merrick. Super excited about this. Favorite product of 2024. You'll have to go watch that video, but there's that. Got some fun samples. And then I got, with my points, I got a couple of really great products. I love the Sei. I love this, and the hair product from Divines. Can't go wrong with that. Love it. So anyway, just a short video, but it's kind of my last purchase, probably of the year here as far as Sephora goes. And anyway, it was fun. You can always find fun things. And let me know if you had any fun shopping sales that you did over the holidays and what your favorite purchases are at Sephora. So let me know in the comments. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.